What's up guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Now, if you're into sports, especially like boxing, kickboxing, or any martial arts, you know that you need to protect your hands. So these wraps by Hawk Sports are incredible for it. I've been really impressed with the way they work. If you noticed, they have a pad right here, which is gel, and it protects your knuckles. So whenever you're striking, you're actually protecting your hands in a great way, and they feel fantastic in your hands. I love using it when I'm sparring with someone, especially for training sessions. I can train here in my home, which is really nice because it doesn't mean that I have to go out to a gym. I can actually do it with my partner and just go at it. I can just go ahead and punch those pads and my hands are completely protected. My wrists are protected. And it feels great. After a good workout, you feel fantastic. These wraps have really changed everything because I no longer have to put on boxing gloves to accomplish the same thing. I've been really impressed with these. I love them, and that's my point of view.